nigi gowi bilionde modhuro. To onge gimoro amora ma bende Kenya nitiere godo kata kwan giminyalo kwan manotiye to kod omenda ma kamano. Wanjigi ma bende dhi laro kom ker gi otiko mar Safina wacho ni nyaka gisani koro odhi kende wuon mar neno ni obedo ker mar pacho kae kendo ok odhi riwore e riwruoge mag siasa kaka moko timo. Wacho ni riwruoge mag siasa go gin mago molosi mana mag dhoudi.
I have said here that we have an economy that is battered. An economy and a government that you have seen this week in their budget that is literally bankrupt. Bankrupt. That is the result of Jubilee government. That is the result of Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta's reign. A reign that has left a government bankrupt. After spending 17 trillion over 9 years, there's been no rising incomes, there have been no new jobs, it is just depression. 38 of 100 people were hungry when you took power, Mr. Uhuru. Today, 63 of 100 are hungry. That is your scorecard. These are facts. And you have a lot to account for. That accounting we have asked. We have asked you to table the SGR contract so that we know why we are suffering with debt. Table it. You promised us. We have not seen it. I will ask you again today, and I will keep asking, because we asked this when we were with Raila Odinga, and it has still not been answered. You went and borrowed 300 billion shillings in 2014. 2014. 200 billion you borrowed from an American bank called Chase Morgan Stanley. Another 100 you borrowed from Citibank. The one from Citibank hit the exchequer account. The 2 billion, which is 200 billion shillings, that you borrowed from Chase Morgan Stanley, 100 is accounted for, but 100 billion has never hit the exchequer account, has never hit the people's account. When the Auditor General tried to answer and ask, where is that money? And even wanted to go to America, you told him who does he think he is? That he's a madman to think he can go to America to look for that money. There's been no audit report on that 100 billion that mysteriously disappeared. That your own Minister of Finance at the time gave us and furnished us documents of a redacted document, a swift transfer, blacked out in terms of details. These are the debts we are paying for as Kenyans, and we have never enjoyed them. It is pain in every home over these things. Show us where that money is.